You ready? Hello. So today we are making Play-Doh and we are very excited to make Play-Doh, aren't we? Yeah, you've been painting this morning. That's why it's covered in paint. All right, so first things first, we need all of our ingredients and I'm just going to grab a bowl to put them all in. So there's our bowl.
A big bowl?
So we're going to start with 1 cup of salt. So we get the cup measurement thingy out. There we go. There it is. So we're going to use this one first because this one's almost empty. So we're going to put 1 cup of salt in. This is a super simple, super easy recipe. So we have here 1 cup of salt. So you put that in the bowl, buddy. Good boy. And then now we need 3 cups of plain flour.
We do our hands?
Not with our hands. Mummy put a spoon. Hang on. So there's 1 cup.
Stop helping me.
Sorry. Now it's 2 cups.
3 cups?
Now it's just 3 cups.
No, I did that with the spoon. No, I did.
3 cups of plain flour. Good mixing, buddy. Now we need 60 mils of vegetable oil. You're pretending to eat it, buddy. All right, so we need 60 mil of oil. So in other words, 1/4 cup of a cup of oil. So we're just going to use olive oil, but you can use vegetable oil or even coconut oil. And we're just going to pour this in. There we go, it's about 1/4 cup. Pour that in. Good job, buddy. Now we mix it really well. All right, you mix. You mix, buddy. You mix. Do you want some help? Just drinking my tea here, don't mind me. And then once we put that in.
No, it's messed up. It's messed up, Mom.
Okay, so now
Put this in.
we want to make multiple different colors, don't we?
Yeah, pink.
Or do you want to make 1 color or do you want to make different colors?
Different colors.
Okay, so we're going to just put 1 cup of warm water in and then we're going to put the food coloring in separately. So, but if you wanted to just make 1 color, you would put the food coloring in now. So we're going to add 1 cup of warm water. You can pick whichever color you want to, buddy. Which color do you want? Purple? Do you want to choose another color?
Pink, too.
Pink? Purple and pink, how many colors do you want?
And blue.
Purple, pink, and blue. Okay. All right, so now we are going to slowly add the water and mix at the same time.
And we put this in?
Not just yet, buddy, and soon. We're going to mix it into a dough consistency and then we've got to knead it and then we add the food coloring to it. It says to use a wooden spoon, but we actually don't have a wooden spoon. So we're just going to go with what we have. I might actually start using my hands. I'm going to wash my hands and then I'm going to use my hands.
It'd be easier. And I tried
It's a bit easier, yeah, exactly. Easier to do it. See how it's more of a jelly consistency? That's the consistency that we are wanting now.
Now we put
Right, so now we are going to get
purple.
our chopping board. Yes, and we are going to get 4 bowls. We might have to start with 3, buddy. And then we're gonna divide this we don't have another clean 4th bowl, so we're going to actually divide this into 3, not 4. So we've got our Play-Doh in 3 bowls.
Now put the purple one.
And I am going to
Put this.
I am going to wrap this in plastic wrap so we don't end up with a multicolored board.
No.
Or you can use a plastic board, but we don't have a plastic board. So we're just going to do this. Just wrap that around there like that. All right, so we grab the first one. Oh, and we're going to make a little well.
I did that too, Mummy.
Yeah, you can get stuck into this. And
And
then we put the food colouring into the well, and then we knead it and make it a different colour. So we're going to start with purple. Now we start kneading it.
Like that, and we're going to put some.
And it will change to purple. Oh, look at this.
It's turning purple.
It's turning purple. My hands are going to be turning purple too. I probably should have worn gloves for this. Didn't think of that. Whoops. So yes, note to self, use gloves.
Use gloves.
But yes, there is our purple. We're going to add a little bit more food colouring to it because it still needs a little bit more. I have the gloves.
Put gloves on.
I'll put some gloves on.
Now I got
A little bit more purple.
I got ready.
Oh, you've already put a little bit more. I might do a tiny bit more than that, okay?
Mount.
All right, now we've got gloves on. Let's do this again, hey? So we have our purple
And then we put that
Play-Doh.
And put that one.
So now that we're kneading it, there's no more purple coming off, which is good. So we're not going to get purple hands anymore because it's all kneaded into the Play-Doh now. Alright, so we're going to put this one now that this is all nice and purple Play-Doh.
And now you put it in there.
I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag first and then I'll put it in the bowl.
And you can
So put it in a Ziploc bag to keep it fresh. So I just got this little one here. Put that in there. Try and push as much air out as we can so that it doesn't dry up super quickly. And we're going to put that in the bowl. And there's our purple Play-Doh. And now we're going to swap this plastic over because this plastic has purple on it. Alright, so which colour do you want to do next? I'm going to put more plastic wrap on.
And I want to put 2 colours in that one, okay, Mommy?
I don't know if 2 colours will work. They might overpower each other and then it just end up a funny colour.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want that. You want it to be one colour, don't you? So either pink or black. Pink or black. We're not doing both. So this is great. This is a colour of 8. This is a box of 8 colours. And this was $7 from Coles.
This one goes in there. And
So very good.
And wait, this one goes in there.
So you're going to do blue in that one and then pink in this one?
No, black in that.
So you don't want pink?
No, it's put in the box.
Alright, we'll put pink back in the box. And we're going to grab another pair of gloves. And which one do you want to do now?
Black.
You want to do the black one? Okay. Got your gloves on. We make a little well.
That's it.
And
Put black in.
you put black in.
That's the black.
Start with that. And then we will add more if we need to.
Making turning black.
It is turning back. Look at it. Doesn't help? Wow. Are you going to do some more kneading?
No, I don't need gloves.
Okay. Oh, we'll put the gloves in the bin.
That glove and that glove.
We're going to put a little bit more black because it's kind of going greeny, isn't it? So we need some more black in there.
And make it blacker.
Make it blacker, that's right. So we got this, it's going black. Awesome. So this is nice and black. Woo. All right, so now that's all kneaded in. So now we have a black and a purple piece of play-Doh.
Oh, put the ball.
And push out as much air as we can. And we're gonna put this back in the box. There we go. Play-Doh, that. And now we're gonna swap this over.
That's not the lid. This is not a lid.
That's not the lid. No, you silly.
How?
Yeah. All right, so now I have re-cling wrapped my board.
I want to put a hole.
You put the hole in, buddy. You put the hole in.
With my finger?
You can do it however you want to do it. So now we're going to do blue Play-Doh. My hand's still purple, but that's okay. We can deal with this. All right, now put the blue in.
I think I put a hole there.
Yeah, you've got a hole there. Now we put the blue in, so Mummy is going to put some more gloves on.
Lots and lots.
Yeah, that's enough to start off with. Put the lid back on. Do you want some gloves?
No, I want
No? You don't want to do it?
to. No.
Alright.
You.
Oh, how cool is this blue? You look at that.
Do we need some little bit more blue?
We do need a little bit more blue. Can you put a little bit more blue in there for me, please?
I want to put a hole. Blue.
Yep.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Perfect. How cool is this blue? This is such a cool blue. Very good. There's our very cool blue piece of Play-Doh. So this is now no more glue coming off. So this is safe now to touch without gloves on.
So, touch it. See? The blue is dry.
Yeah, blue is dry in the Play-Doh now. All right, so now we're gonna put that, can you open that Ziploc bag for me? Gonna put it in our Ziploc bag.
It's really open.
So then when we store these Ziploc bags, we'll store them in a plastic airtight container, and then they will last that little bit longer.
Got more air in
So we
there.
push out as much air as possible. Again, we push out as much air as possible when we close it up. Hold it up. So now we have 3 very cool, very fun pieces of Play-Doh to play with, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Very good, buddy. Do you want to go play with those now?
The blue one and those.
Yeah, do you want to go play with them?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
On the table or on the floor?
Maybe go on the table. There you go, play with them on the table. And then we'll put them back in their Ziploc bags and put them in a plastic container to store them. Do you want these 2 as well?
Alright.
Alright. Alright, buddy. So I will add the recipe of how to do it all in the description box, and all the steps and method of how to do it as well in the description box. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun making Play-Doh.